Hola a todos, soy señora Stacy y soy su profesora de español 2 este año. Bienvenidos. Este es Elliot. Elliot, dile hola. Hola. Say hola. Yeah. I was gonna make this video without my child, but he's a little fussy right now, so here he is. Anyway, this is an introductory video for me to say hello because you will not see me until October. This little kiddo, for those of you who didn't have me last year, he was born in May, and so I'm going to be on maternity leave until October. Okay, I had to swaddle this guy up. So besides introducing myself, I wanted to give you a very brief overview of what the first few weeks of Spanish 2 is going to look like. The very first 2 weeks is a unit called Para Empezar, which is a review of the first semester of Spanish 1. So there's nothing in this unit that is going to come from that weird time in March onward. So everything that you'll be reviewing is like gender, adjective agreement, verb conjugation, that kind of thing. I will say, though, that unlike in the spring, you are going to be taking assessments. You're going to be graded. Hi there. You're going to be graded on the work you do at home. So make sure you're taking that seriously as a way to prepare for your tests, quizzes, that kind of thing. The first test quiz, whatever, oh, kiddo. Sorry, it's hard to do with the baby. So what I was saying is that your first test, or quiz if you will, it's kind of a long quiz, is going to be next Thursday or Friday, depending on if you're Group A or Group B. So just make sure you are putting in some good effort with that stuff that you're doing at home. Speaking of which, the work that you're doing at home through virtual lessons is not only going to be graded, but it's also going to be due by 3 o'clock, which is a building policy to have that due earlier in the day rather than at midnight. I know at Eastern, it's due at 2:10, which is the end of the school day, so just be aware of that change because I know it's going to be a big difference and it's going to catch some people off guard. Because that's a building policy, if you have an issue with that, you'll have to talk to an administrator. And let's see. So that's about it for me right now. You'll see a few more videos for me throughout the very first week because I told Senora Unitas that I would do the online teaching. After that, all of your questions and concerns and communications need to go through her as I will be on maternity leave. Though I do look forward to seeing you in October. I hope you have a wonderful first day, first week, and I look forward to seeing you soon.